Welcome to our video on n8n, the powerful tool that can automate your business operations without any coding required. But first, let's understand what no-code automation means. It's the ability to create workflows without writing a single line of code. n8n offers an array of key features, such as integrations with over 200 applications, trigger events, and easy-to-follow workflows. Getting started with n8n is simple. Let's walk through the initial setup together. Now, let's create your first workflow in n8n. I'll guide you through the steps. n8n is being used across many industries, from healthcare to marketing, to streamline processes and save time. Integrating n8n with popular apps is seamless. Let's look at some examples. One of the best things about n8n is how accessible it is for non-technical users. Anyone can automate their tasks. Like any tool, n8n may come with its challenges. Here are some common issues and how to solve them. In conclusion, n8n is paving the way for the future of business automation, enabling anyone to enhance their productivity.